Well, welcome back to another HK challenge, although this is not really a challenge. This is a thing we like to call a mukbang. We're going to eat some food, we're going to answer some questions, and we're just going to have a good time. And Go grab some food. You can eat some food while you watch this, while we eat food. And today's food, in today's mukbang, we are not sponsored by them, but we thought...
I mean, hopefully one day.
Hopefully, hey, one day.
Hey, Subway.
We got some Subway, we got some subs. We're gonna eat some subs and answer some questions. What food does everyone want?
Let's go through it. So we've got a wrap, and then subs and more subs.
We got subs,
and a napkin.
subs.
And napkins, guys.
More
That's very
subs.
important. Stay clean, stay COVID safe.
You want what?
Just the cheeky little chicken.
You're pointing, there's a whole thing here.
I'm gonna say this one. Thank you.
Oh,
That's good.
yum.
This is nice.
This is my sandwich.
Alright, take a bite, Sam. Take a bite from it. Take a bite.
My mum would be so proud of eating veggies. Oh, this one's so
Ready?
small. I did this
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh, juicy. There we go, Sarah. Take a bite.
Oh, can we have the thing cut over?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Bread.
Sorry,
I bet Lily haven't got food over here.
Am I a person to you?
No. Can we have that please?
Sorry. Yum food. I don't want to eat this too fast.
Eat it.
There it is.
My first question to you guys. Now, I have asked this question to some of you guys as well. And at home, if you want to answer the question, put it in the comments below. But my first question to you guys. We're eating food right now, okay? At lunchtime, although. But dinner time, okay? If you could go out for dinner with anyone in the world, who would that be? Anyone in the world, who would you go out to? I'll start an answer. I would love to go to dinner with Russell Wilson. Russell Wilson. Okay, Russell Wilson. I'm not wearing his shirt. Okay? I'm a big Seahawks fan. It's a good American football. He's the quarterback. Lovely dude. Well, I've never met him, but I'd love to meet him. But he's such a family man. He's an awesome man. I'd love to go and have dinner with him one day, if I could. If dinner with anyone. What about you guys? Sienna, I see your hand go up.
Yeah. Probably anyone in the world. Probably Joyce Meyer. I don't know if you guys will know her, but she's a role model.
Wow.
Yeah. And yeah.
Joyce Meyer. I like that one. Isaiah, I'm going straight to you.
Alright, this man, his name is Boban Marjanovic.
Yeah.
He's a basketball player, he's the coolest guy on the planet.
Come on. Amber, I know you just took a bite, but you wanted to tell me your answer.
I'm not gonna have to wait.
Alright, switch it up. Hannah.
SpongeBob.
He's not real.
What? Oh no. Sam, what about you, bro?
A guy called Matt Pat would be nice.
How's
He's
you?
a pretty cool guy.
Who?
A guy called Matthew Patrick.
Matt Patrick from Gang Theory.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love
Oh.
him. He's awesome. I love his
Matt Pat.
videos.
He's pretty fun, so.
Yeah.
I love him.
That's a good one. I like that one. Amber, yes, you ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
Elmo from Sesame
Elmo.
Street.
You want to go to dinner with Elmo?
Yes.
Ah, you know. Fair.
Don't question me.
I'm not going to question it. It's a lovely answer. Elmo.
It is.
And you don't choke on your food. Like, we all know the answer to it, but the kids are hungry.
Same. Tom Holland.
Tom Holland, Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Didn't say a couple other names, but none of you guys would know what the movie I'm talking about. Tom Holland, that's a good one. He's a good one. He is a good one. He's a good one. Zoe, who would you go to dinner with? Anyone in the world? Anyone.
What?
Don't know. Ben, who would you go with?
Anyone? Oh, I don't really want to go out with anyone, but
Dating thing.
no, to dinner. I wouldn't want to go to dinner with anyone.
Wait, it's not?
Yeah, but then again, I'll take advantage of this. Someone with a lot of money so we can go somewhere.
Somewhere nice. So someone with a lot of money so you can have something nice. Really?
Yeah.
Who would you go on a dinner date with?
Date.
Okay, no, you're not dating. You're going out for dinner.
Date.
Okay.
I'm
If you
going
could
on
go
a date with Elmo.
if you could go to dinner with anyone in the world,
Oh, that's my favorite.
But I just want to know, like, what was going through his head when he wrote all his Bond songs, you know?
I like that. That's a good one. I like that. Not as good as mine, but I like that. Brendan, what about yourself?
I have not thought about it. I've just been listening the whole time. Actually, I'd love to sit down with maybe Peter Jackson, chat about how he made. He's a director, made Lord of the Rings. So chat with him, or chat with like some writers, some famous writers like J.R.
Tolkien.
Yeah, like all the writers seem to have J in their name, like J.R. Tolkien,
C.S. Lewis.
C.S. J. Lewis,
C.S. Lewis would be a good one.
J.K. Rowling, there's J.K. You know what I'm saying? There's, I don't know. Yeah, I know that's the only thing that came to mind.
I like it. Okay. Sarah, what about you? If you could go to dinner with anyone in the world, who would it be?
That's very nice.
Oh, the Friends cast. That's a good one. That's a good one.
They're fun.
Yeah. Alright, I got another question. Okay, this one's gonna get a little, not deep. It could get deep, depending on where you stand. Well, I know where we're sitting. But
The pool?
okay.
Room's about to fill with water.
Do you get it? It's deep from where you
That's
stand.
why I laughed.
Thanks.
Anyway, moving on. The question is, okay. Question. We all know Noah's Ark. Okay, Noah put two of each animal onto his ark. Dinosaurs. Did Noah put dinosaurs on the ark?
Okay, no.
You are selling sandy bugs.
No, it's not white chickens.
Chickens. Okay, chickens. A lot of no's. A lot of no's in this side of the table.
Yes.
You think yes? Okay.
They just died off afterwards because everything else was like,
Actually, yeah.
I reckon
I
the
reckon
flood
it's not
actually
because-
caused the extinction of dinosaurs.
Think the flood caused the
Not
extinction?
just
Yeah.
you.
I think this is my own opinion. These are all opinions, guys. Okay. I don't come with facts because I'm not smart. Okay. But I think Noah did bring dinosaurs onto the ark. But I reckon he brought dinosaur eggs onto the ark. I don't think he would have brought an actual dinosaur, but he grabbed eggs.
What kind of dinosaur eggs?
I don't know.
Lizards.
Scrambled. Sunny side up.
Got very rough out there. Wait, I want mine boiled though.
Yeah, I reckon Noah, he was a brave man. I reckon Noah was, he snuck into a nest, grabbed some eggs, and quickly went onto the ark and put them on there. He might not have. Yeah, because obviously dinosaurs. And then, like Sam said, they would have survived, but because everything was changed, they didn't survive. So why did you say yes, Sam? Sorry?
Huh?
Why did you say yes?
oh, because the first one we asked was just
Yeah.
really big. And second of all, with the flood, it would destroy a bunch of the plants and stuff, and there'd be less animals for the monsters to eat. It would just kind of starve to death. So,
Cool. Yeah. I like that. Yeah.
Question, does anyone want to halvesies with us three?
Halvesies with
Zoe.
us three.
So,
How am I gonna make this
Sam? Okay, so we'll pause these.
force?
I hate this.
Okay, next question. Favorite cartoon show growing up? Favorite cartoon show growing up? Yes.
Sesame Street.
Sesame Street.
Sesame
Is
Street.
that a cartoon show?
Oh, wait.
VeggieTales.
No, VeggieTales. VeggieTales.
VeggieTales.
VeggieTales is superior.
Bluey.
What?
VeggieTales.
Bluey.
Favorite cartoon show growing up?
Cool.
VeggieTales.
I've watched VeggieTales.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wait, who else?
Sam or
wanted
Couch?
Sam, just throw it.
No.
Don't.
Just throws
I
it
should have
over.
gave you my one.
Humph. Tell me someone else saw that.
I
Oh my
feel like I
gosh,
know
yeah, like
what
the purple blue little. It's like a
yeah.
cartoon. It's like the fluffy thing.
Ah, yeah.
So good.
Really
Oh my
good
gosh,
song.
you know what I was obsessed with?
What?
Blue's
Alright.
Clues.
Oh, Blue's Clues, hands
Like-
down. Best card.
Amber, did you say Bottle Top Bill yet?
No, that's a good one. That scared me. I love
Bottle
Bottle
Top Bill.
Bill.
No, VeggieTales is my answer.
Bottle Top
And his
Bill.
best
Amber,
friend.
it was
Porky.
optional.
No, yeah, mine was optional.
Oh.
That literally terrified me.
I like
Oh,
Bill and Ben, the
serious?
Flower Pot Men, but none of you guys will probably know what that
Oh,
is.
Maybe.
What?
I vibe.
You vibe?
Yeah.
Bill and Ben, the Flower Pot Men.
More of a Ben 10 boy myself.
Ben 10.
Oh,
Ben
when
10.
Ben
I mean,
and we
if
saw
I'm
Ben
Justice-
10.
If I'm talking about like my top 3, it goes Justice League, the Batman animated series, and then Pokemon. Any Pokemon.
Yeah, Pokemon.
So we've eaten Subway. My other question is to you guys, what is your favourite fast food restaurant? Favourite fast food restaurant? Macca's?
Ooh, I know. Betty's Burgers. Yes, it is.
It's also fast food.
I'd say it's fast food.
It is so
Guzzies count?
good.
Guzzies does
Hands
count.
down.
At the moment, Guzzies for sure.
Oh, this
Guzzies
is
for sure.
rubbish.
No, I got my socks and everything. I'm my best friend.
I do like Guzzies.
I showed him my socks and he was like,
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
I do.
Subway.
Sponsored.
Yeah.
Subway?
Like, okay,
Oh, yeah,
I'm
me.
torn
Subway.
between Betty's
Oh,
and
Hannah
Subway.
says Subway.
Because the thing is, I can like do it to my own liking for Subway, but with Betty's, I have to ask for stuff off it, and then it's a pain.
Mm.
But they're like,
Subway is my favorite.
but their like rolls are really good at Betty's, like their burger buns.
And then milkshake. I like that.
Question:
Does
sushi train at Westfield count as fast food?
Oh, that's good.
I'll allow it.
Because you take away there.
I'll allow
That's
it.
also good.
Not far. I'd say Sushi Train is. Sushi Train, not eat sushi. Sushi Train is. I'd say it's fast food. I mean.
It is.
Oh!
Let's go.
No camera got it, so it's not on the record. Sorry, man.
Didn't happen.
Didn't happen. If for those, Ben
That's
just
alright.
threw the rubbish in the bin
That's
across the
pretty
room.
good.
Very good, very good. Sarah, what's your fast favorite fast food? You don't know? I'm putting fingers in. That's fair. That's fair.
I think
Good.
mine
It's good.
probably
Very good.
Don't know?
is probably too many burgers or something.
Guzzies. You can't go wrong with Guzzies.
I've never had it. Wait, have I? I'm pretty sure I have it.
You haven't?
No,
I've never
Sienna,
had
we
it.
don't. We've never gone out together, but
Yeah,
surely you've
Wow.
gone out with someone else together.
Wow.
not that I know of.
Mine's probably Taco Bell, just right now at the moment. Because the taco, I like it. And there's also free refills.
Mm-hmm.
It's one really close.
Free refills are like spicy hot every time.
The house.
Free
Yeah.
refills. Free refills are always good. I mean, free food is always good. It doesn't matter.
That's why I'm here.
Subway sponsor us. Cool. I mean, I didn't answer because I actually don't have one. I think. But if I do have one, it's a toss up between KFC.
I like the case.
No, you know what? That's it. KFC. I'm sorry. No, it's a toss up between KFC and Guzzies. It depends what I'm feeling. If I'm feeling chicken tenders,
Their
KFC.
tenders are
The tenders are just so
divine.
good.
I love that chips.
Chips are good. Oh, I had the best KFC chips yesterday. I'm going to tell you right now, guys. Oh, let me tell you. So, alright. I was
Everyone close their eyes.
Yeah, just imagine it, right? You're sitting there. I'm legit. I've got these chips out. I poured them on my plate. Okay. And you know how sometimes you look at them and go, oh, they're just not cooked right, or like they don't look like a good chip. That's what I looked. I looked and went, that does not look like a good chip. Oh, I was upset. But you know what? I picked it up and I ate it. Oh. It was the best. It was salted to perfection. It was actually cooked to perfection. Like the potato wasn't hard or too soft. It was just right. The nice and fluffy potato, you know, salted just right. And I'm not gonna lie, I scoffed the whole box down in a couple of seconds. Best KFC chips I've ever had. Anyway, sorry
I
guys.
have a bit of a political question.
Alright, go on. Go.
Macca's or KFC nuggets? KFC.
KFC.
Don't even question that. It's KFC hands down. No, it's not. Like, they're so stale.
Worst ones though, hands down, Carl's Jr.
Carl's Jr.
Yeah, done as me, half air, half chicken.
So you know how sometimes you get chicken nuggets, right? You get chicken nuggets and it's like chicken, and then you got your layer of crumb. Alright, yeah. So this layer of crumb, we were excited. This is like pretty thick. Yeah, bit into it. There was like barely any chicken in it. It was just crumb and air. Like, I was like, what is this? And it was the driest chicken. Oh. Sorry, guys, if you're watching this one again. We'll have slow you. The final, I got one last question. Okay? One last question. It's kind of a, it's a multiple choice question, realistically. Alright? Okay, to finish it off. Sauce in the fridge or in the cupboard?
Oh, cupboard. Fridge. We do it in the cupboard. We're too lazy.
What sauce we talking?
Fridge.
Barbecue and tomato.
Barbecue tomato?
In the cupboard.
No.
Cupboard.
Because if you put it in the fridge, right, then you have like the hot like chip or whatever you're having it with. With it. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
It just works.
I don't want cold chips. I want hot chips with sauce.
Yeah, me too.
You buy the hot chips for their temperature.
Yeah.
Why do you
You don't cool them down.
Well, speak for yourself. I put my hot chips in the freezer.
I have a question. Like, when you go to
Where
like a
they
place to
belong.
buy sauce, they're not refrigerated. They're normal temperature.
No, but when you get the bottle, you put it in the fridge because it's always but they don't put it in the fridge.
That's
not how
I put it in the cupboard.
works, Zoe. Biology.
There's so much things better to
That's
put
not
in
how
the fridge.
English works, Lily.
Wait, so hands up for fridge.
You guys are weird.
Oh.
No, we're just not lazy.
No, it's
so
not
many
lazy.
things you can put in the fridge, but sauce is not a personal there.
Milk in the fridge or no?
Eggs.
in the
In the
fridge.
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 We don't eggs.
We do.
Where do you keep your eggs?
We barely even use them.
Milk in the fridge or no?
Milk, fridge or cupboard?
Ice cream? Ice cream? Cupboard.
I keep the one in the oven. I don't know about you.
How long?
That one doesn't make it to the
Ice cream doesn't go back into the freezer.
No.
It gets finished in my belly.
Oh, I have mine at bread in the freezer or on like a
Freezer.
If you're having toast, it fits for toast, it goes in the freezer. But if it's like for if you're having like a French sandwich or something.
Yeah.
So you don't just take it out of the freezer and then put it in the microwave for like a couple of seconds.
Exactly.
Then it goes by the day and then you're done cutting it.
No, you put it in the toaster. No.
Freezer or not freezer?
Yeah.
Put it in the pantry.
Nah, because then it goes moldy too quickly.
I put
Eat
my,
it then.
I'm not eating a whole loaf in 2 days.
I
We put
bread
it
in
in
the
the
fridge.
freezer. That's just because we have
Guys, I don't do either of that.
put, you guys think freezer or cupboard? I'm thinking fridge. Middle ground. You want something cold and also room temperature? Chuck it in that fridge.
Well,
I toast my bread, then put it back in the back. Then
Ooh, I have another one. Cold water. Do you have a cold water thing, or do you have tap water? Like we have
Cold.
Same.
Cold water.
We have
cold water.
We
So
have
much
cold.
better than room temperature.
I love myself some lukewarm water.
Yeah. Hot chocolate that's not hot.
Water. Ice.
I have, I'm not gonna lie, I have a water cooler. Like, you know those movies where people
Must
have a
be
water cooler?
nice.
Oh,
Yeah, I have
must
a water
be
cooler.
nice.
Oh, it is nice. Until you have to fill the water bottle back up.
Here's the thing, if you have cold water when you're really thirsty, doesn't it? Like for me, it doesn't make me not thirsty.
Yeah, it makes you more thirsty.
Yeah, you're right.
Just keep drinking that water.
I think you're really full.
think
Anyway, but that's it for this video, the mukbang. Let us know in the comments where you keep your sauce and your bread and your eggs and
Keep it in the fridge, guys.
No.
Let us
When in
know.
doubt, shove it in the fridge.
No, when in doubt, throw it out. When in doubt, throw it out. But that's it for this video. We love you. See you next time. Peace and love. Peace out.
Bye.
So hungry.
Bye.